Alright, so the very first thing you should do in editing your video with this application I just revealed to you, which is CapCut, is to go to Play Store, go to your Play Store and search for CapCut. Hope you are seeing that. CapCut, you see the spelling, and you can see it is already out from the search. So you click on it. Alright, so you can see the application is out, and mine is telling me to update because I have already installed CapCut application. Okay, so I don't have to update anything here. So all you do in your own case is just to press install, and it will install. You launch the application once you install it. So when you go to your phone background, this is how CapCut is going to look like. Are you seeing it? So right now I'm launching the CapCut video editing application on mobile phone. One thing about this app is that it's completely free. It's completely free. You don't even have a paid features. And another thing is that it has a lot of features. This is an app most people don't even know, and it is more advanced than the non application also. So now when you launch your CapCut at the first time, it will do all the initial setup, dash, and once you are done, you won't see this because these are my previous projects, so you will not see them. So here will be empty. So the next thing you should do, as usual, you have already known this. I'm going to rush this tutorial because you have already known video editing, so I'm just introducing a new app to you as my students. So if you are watching this on YouTube, I'm creating this video actually because of my student in my video editing course. So I've already given a lot of application to you for video editing. This is just an additional application, right? It is even faster. So the first thing you do when you come to CapCut is you click on create a project. Okay, so once you click on create a project, CapCut will carry you to your album. As you can see, it is showing album. You can click it to see your different folders. So from that album, that is where you select your folders where the video you want to edit. You fetch the video you want to edit from here. Okay, so any folder that you know the video is, you just click on it. Like me, I can, or another way, you just scroll on these videos and the videos are here automatic. If it is photo you want to edit, you click here and you take the photo that you want to edit. I hope you saw where I click. You saw where I click, right? That is here. So if it is video, you click here. Okay, so automatically video is selected. So let me just pick one video for this tutorial we are going to be doing. Let me pick a very simple video that we can edit. Okay, let me go with this one. Alright, once you click on the video, it will be playing. If you know that it is the video that you actually want to do, you click on this add button at the left down. That there is no voice there. You now, so you see you have added the video, and this is the interface of CapCut. So CapCut has a lot of features. One thing I like about this CapCut of a thing is that it has a lot of features you might not find in other mobile app editing application. Is that it has a lot of effect. So all this is from editing audio. I hope you are seeing it, to text, stickers. Are you seeing the button? So we are going to go through them step by step. You will see the effect that come with CapCut, a lot of fire effect and so many other things that come with it. And one other thing about CapCut is that you can export your video on the background while you are still working with your phone. You remember, if you don't have a big RAM on your mobile phone, like 8 gig RAM, most of those other applications, when you minimize the other background, they will stop exporting, right? So CapCut has the ability to be exporting on background. So I'm going to be showing you this step by step in the next video. But if you are watching this on YouTube, let's continue. Hello guys, this is Zach at Opportunities Niche, and we are talking about video editing with just your mobile phone, and we are using an amazing, awesome application called CapCut. This application comes with a lot of features that most other mobile video editing does not have. So I'm going to be showing you those things, and you are going to confirm really this application is so great. You can see we have already imported the video we are editing. This is it. You can see the video. This is the video. So now the video you imported will be on this interface. So this is the display interface. Okay, so the size of here, that is how the video is going to be. You can see this is a rectangle video, which is, we will see the format is perhaps it's a 16 by 9, right? So now let's start from here. Where are we starting from? Let's start from here. Once you bring your video into CapCut editing interface or studio, the next thing you should do, I've already told you how to edit video. You already know how to edit video, right? So all videos editors, they are almost the same. Okay, so I'm going to brush through everything down here. Okay, so now you can see the first thing here is the scissors, right? So the first thing is this scissors icon, so which is edit. So scissors icon is always edit. So if you want to edit, remember anything when you want to edit a clip, this is the whole clip. If you want to add increase the volume, make sure you increase it before you start cutting out. Okay, so now you click on the clip. Are you seeing it? So when I click on it, what happens? You can see the clip is now highlighted in these white two lines, right? It means that you cannot edit it. Some people in my class, some of my students when we are using the application I gave you for free in the main course, you are saying that you can't see the scissors. Yes, the scissors will not occur in some application unless you click here. So are you seeing it? You see, when you click, what happens? You cannot see split. Okay, so these are the features now for editing this particular clip. Okay, so now this is the split. You have already know how to use it. If you want to split the video, you want to cut out some part of the video, so what you will do is that if you want to, you bring your video in, right? Whether it's 2 video or 5 video, you can bring any amount of videos. So any part you want to click on, let's say this video, let me play it. This is where you play your video. All right, sorry. All right, so this is where you play your video here. Are you seeing it? So you click on it. In the last video where I talk about audio tools, this particular tool, so you can see the video is playing, right? So now if you want to cut out that part, you don't want that part, this first part of the video to appear. Maybe you were doing something when you are shooting the video, you want to cut it out, you click on split, right? It's normally split, so which is this. So you split. So you can see when you split, it now give you a transition point, right? So a split point. So you have, when you split, it now become two clip. This is the second clip, this is the first clip, and from this clip you want to delete it because you don't want it, right? So if it is not this whole clip that you click that you don't want, maybe from this part, so this line you are seeing is showing you where you are in the clip. Okay, so now you can just adjust to where you want to clip. You play the video to here, come back in the last video. So if it is only a small part like this, that is from here. Let me just say you just want to click from this place to this place. That is where you want to cut out. So you just click there and you click on this, on split, and it will split again. So if it is this one you want to cut out, you highlight it. You can see it is highlighted now. No, not transition, sorry. So you cut it out. Okay, so you can cut out, then you use delete. So you can see the delete key here, see the delete here, so you delete it. Okay, that's how to use cut. You have already know how to do this. I don't want to waste time with that. So let's see, another thing is speed. So in CapCut, you can also adjust the speed of your video to play faster than normal or to play slower than normal. Then the volume. These are the main feature. Now you can see CapCut has 1000 volume capacity. The natural volume is 100, and you can see where 100 is. Are you seeing 100? Are you seeing 100? So you can increase this from 100 to 1000. Are you seeing it? So let me play this video and so that you hear. Video where I talk about audio tools. Do you listen to the natural sound? Okay, let me put my volume. So let me now put it the volume, adjust the volume to 1000. Video where I talk about audio tools. This particular tool. Do you see the difference? So CapCut has that ability. So we are done with that. The next thing is animation. So animation, are you seeing it? So animation normally works with the clip. Okay, let's say from this place, when I talk about clip, that is where different videos meet. Okay, this one clip, because I split it, right? So now animation, when you bring something in, how does the video come in? You can add, how does, maybe here you were talking about introducing something, then you want to change to another place. Okay, let's say introduction of video, you will now want to start the main video. So there should be a transition from that first video when you were doing introduction to the main work, right? So then you can put in animation for this clip, how the next clip will come in. Okay, so that is the in animation here. So you can see different animation, how the clip will come in. Video. Are you seeing that? Video. This is zoom. Video. Where? So this is how the next video will come in. Video. Even though it's one video, in one video you can split it up to 10. Maybe you elicit type of something, you say, okay, this shoe, this is the price. That you are done with that shoe, right? The next shoe you are bringing into the picture. So you suppose split. When you split, so that when the next shoe is coming, it will come in style like this. Video. Maybe the next shoe will come like this. You just be testing how it is coming. So this is how you use animation for the clip. Okay, so when you have one clip, you cannot use animation. One clip will come with one animation. If you want to, this video is one clip. If you want to, you are talking about different shoes, you are introducing them. As you are introducing them, you'll be splitting the place where the first shoe or the first shirt or the first topic you introduce, and you split that place. Okay, when you split it using the scissors, the split icon, this split icon, you split it, you just click and split. You can see it has been splitted, right? So it has been splitted. So now the next video, you can decide to say, okay, which animation is it coming? So let it come in this in animation. You click it, and how slow or fast is it? The duration is like this. You see this particular tool in your video edit tools, this particular. So that is how you put in your animation. Okay, you can adjust how long it is, the duration, using this duration the duration button here. Okay, so if you just want it to act so fast, you put it at the lowest position, which it is now. If you want to adjust it to take much time before it comes in, video where I talk about audio. Are you seeing it? So if I adjust it not to be fast, see how quick it is. So that is how in animation work. Okay, the next thing is the out animation. How is that clip going out before the next clip coming? That is the out animation at this button here. You are seeing out at the bottom, right? Then also the combo. Okay, you see it here. So how it will be behaving. So this is the behavior of the video where I talk about audio tools. Are you seeing it? Video where I talk about audio tools. So you just try all these things out. Okay, the combo is how the video clip will behave even after it has entered. Okay, so this is it. You can adjust the duration also, and once you are done, you click on enter. So we are done with that animation stuff. The next thing is I've already know delete. If you want to delete anything, you click on delete. So one other good thing about what is it called about CapCut is that it has this great feature called background remover. Okay, you can see it at the bottom, which is background remover. Are you seeing it here? Background remover, remove background. So you can shoot your video in green screen. What I mean about green screen is one color stuff, like the you shoot your video on green screen or in red screen. When that video has one particular background, everything is red or everything is green, you can come to CapCut here and remove the background of the video. Okay, and CapCut will remove the background from that video for you, so that you cannot import any other background uh, to your video. Okay, so you can remove any background and also bring in any other background. So use this background remover if you want to remove a background. Okay, where is it? Background remover. So it works very well. So this is why I introduce you guys to CapCut, because this feature, they are not in some of those app, though there is what is it called, chroma key, but this background remover in CapCut is more easier to use. Another thing is the style. Okay, so I've not tried this style, but I have tried this 3D cartoon. It takes a lot of time. It will change your face to cartoon. Okay, it will change your face to one cartoon. I don't like the cartoon face, because I make my own cartoon, so why will I be using their cartoon? So that is the style. Okay, so the next thing is the extract audio. You have already know how to extract audio. It's easy. You can remove audio from a video. You can change the audio. You can extract. Okay, let me say this clip now, this particular place, uh this particular video, let me play it. In your video editing, I actually forget some things I didn't show you before I go ahead to filter. We are done with filter. Okay, so let me say I want to actually remove the picture, what is it called, the audio from this music now, from this video now. I will just click on extract. Okay, I will click on the video, on the clip. It has been highlighted. I will now say okay. I will now click on extract audio. So it will take a little while for CapCut to extract the audio from the video. Okay, you can extract audio as normal. So I've already taught you this, so it's not a big deal. So you can see the audio have been extracted, and you can click the audio, cut out the part you want to cut out. You can cut out any part of audio and add any other voice over to it. Okay, so as simple as that. When you click, you can see now this is the audio highlighted. It means I'm editing this audio, not the video. You can see the video is not highlighted. You can see this one with two white lines is the audio, right? So it means I'm editing the audio I extracted. So if you did something and you want to undo it, you can click on this undo arrow. Then it will go back to normal. So that is it. All right, let me highlight the video again so that the editing tools will come out. And the next thing is edit, which is what we are doing. So the next is filters. So this is where I wanted us to dwell more about. CapCut has a lot of filters. Okay, CapCut has a lot of filters. So when you click on these filters, you will see a lot of it. You will see a lot of it. I can't even, when you click on live, you see a lot of live color. This is how the color of your video will be. Maybe you are talking about food, so you should use color that are that video. You should change the color to the effect to, or the filter to food that resemble food. This movie, you can see this how the color, the filter should be. Just check this out. Once you are done, remember to always click this good icon by the left button. Okay, left bottom of this CapCut. Okay, and it will enter and save your changes. So the next thing is adjust. You can adjust the sharpen, the exposure, the brightness, the contrast. You have already know this. So the next thing is the marks. So marks is that how you want your video your video to come out, you can see the shape is changing, right? Look at how the shape will just change. So you can max it, okay? So you can see it. So these are another features there, but I want to undo that. I don't want any of this. So the next thing is the chroma key. Chroma key is for changing color. You can pick a color. You pick a color from the video, and it's also used to remove background. So let's say I have a green background. I shoot this video behind a green background, and I want to change the background. I can use this chroma key. I pick the green background. Are you seeing it? I will just click here to select the green, and it will be cut off. I will cut it off so that my background will be empty. Then I can import. Okay, now the next thing is the overlay. Overlay, you have already know, is for you to add uh, another video on top of video, or picture on top of picture, and image on top of video. So that is overlay. You can click and select your overlay video or overlay photo. So the next thing is I want us to get to the filters, no, to the effect. So you can see CapCut also has stabilizer. Maybe you are shooting a video and your phone was shaking while you are shooting the video, your camera was shaking. You can use this stabilizer effect to stabilize the video, okay? I've already taught you that, okay? You stabilize the video so that it stops shaking that much. The opacity also, you can adjust. The voice effect, you can change your voice effect. You can change your voice effect also, okay? To robot, to phone, to a kid voice, you can change it. And you can reverse your video. You can reverse your video so that it will play from, if you come into a room with right leg, when you reverse it, you will be coming into that room with left leg. So that is how to reverse a video, okay? So that is what I want to show you guys here that CapCut has. So, and that's why I want to treat it last, okay? So I want to treat it last, and these are the effects that come with the CapCut, okay? So let me show you the effect that come with CapCut. So are you seeing it? So before you see this effect, as you can see, I'm doing my editing. This is the video, right? So this effect, now you can see it. So this is after overlay. Okay, let me go back. So you can see audio here, right? You can see audio, right? So you can add audio, you can adjust the quality of your audio. Then you can add text. So the text in CapCut, they are so nice, okay? So you can choose from auto caption. This is what what is it called? CapCut has. Look at the bottom of here. I hope you are seeing it. These auto captions. So automatically, if you want to add subtitle to your video, everything you are saying should be written. You just activate this auto caption, okay? So you can see it say original sound, or you want to select another language, you can select language here. So the original sound, or you select all these available language. The original language that we are speaking is English, right? So that is why it has selected as original sound. So we continue. So whatever you are saying after importing this video, CapCut will be writing it, okay, for you. So another thing is that you can add your normal text to the screen of the video. You use this. So this is how to add text. You write the text you want to add. Let's say this is Zach at opportunity snitch. So this is what I want to write. Maybe in the video I was saying it, so I was introducing myself as Zach at opportunity snitch. So automatically that name, I want it to come up in the video. So I will write it like this, okay? Let me rewrite it. Not my full name. It's coming out with my full name. Zach at opportunities niche, right? So I was introducing myself as Zach at opportunities niche, and I want the name to come out. All I need to do is click on that add text, okay? So when I click on add text, as you can see, I will shift it. You can shift it. Are you seeing it? I'm shifting it. the position where the text will appear. So you can shift it to anywhere by holding it and dragging it. So if it is too big, look at this small pencil icon. Are you seeing it there? That is where you hold. When you hold it, okay, sorry, that is where you hold if you want to edit it, so that it will come up with this place I'm writing now. Okay, so it will come out here. So that is what you want to edit. But if you want to adjust it because maybe it's too big, you hold this particular area. Look at it. You hold it and you drag it smaller inside. Are you seeing it? It's becoming small. If you want to make it bigger, you drag it outside. If you want to make it small, you drag it inside. You see, zag at opportunities niche. So that this is how I want it to be. So the automatic translation that we just automatic auto caption, you see it is writing, right? So if you don't want it, go to auto caption that we just did under text and remove it. So now you can see zag at opportunities. I want to customize this thing to come in red color. The text, I want it to be white. The background, I want it to be red. So look at it. So under it, you can see we are under the color of the text. It's highlighted blue, right? So it is what? It is in white. It is white now. So you can change it to red. You can change it to black. You can change it to yellow. So you can change the color of the text. But I want the color of the text to be white. Then the background, where the text is written, I want it to be, this is the background. I want it to be red. So I will click on red. You can see the background is now red, right? So now if you want to put stroke, this stroke, check it out. You click on it, you say that the text stroke can change. You can put the stroke to be black. The stroke now is the, are you seeing this text? So this text, are you seeing now the side of the edges of the each of the alphabet is now black. If I put that stroke, if I put the stroke color, you can see stroke is highlighted blue, right? We are under stroke. So the stroke now, if I want it to be yellow, are you seeing it? So I want the stroke to be white so that it will give me the normal color of the text. Okay, so that is what I want. So I will go back to stroke. I will click white. Am I white? The color of the text, I want it to be white. So the stroke color now, okay, see the stroke color, they are even here. Okay, so they are even here. So you just select from there. I want it to be white. Mine is white. The background, I want it to be red. So are you seeing it? So this is how you move it. So anywhere you want to place this, you place. If you want to place it up, you place it up of the video. If you want to place it at the bottom, you make sure you place it where. So that is how to add text using CapCut mobile video editor, and it has the text. You can actually edit it to your liking, and also you can add animation effect to this text. You can, the style here, look at, there are different style. Okay, you can see effect. So if you want to add effect, you add effect. Okay, are you seeing the effect? You can add effect to the text. Hope you are seeing this. So be looking at the text here. So we are adding effect, so be looking at how it is changing. So looking at how it's changing. So you can do any of these things. These are different effect that actually changes the art of the text you added. So another thing is you can add bubbles. Are you seeing it? You click on bubbles. Look at it. Are you seeing it now? So you can change it like this. You can make it like this. You can make it like this. Are you seeing it? You can make it like this. You can make it like this. So all those things, just play with it. Play with it. So if you don't want any of it, you just click on this no. It's like a no, cancel. So it will be back to normal, right? And you click on good. So now the other, if you did not finish editing and it goes off, you can always go back to it by clicking on text. Let me say I will click on add text. So I don't want to add new text. It's the one I added I want to edit. Can just click on it again. So now the next thing is the animatic. Okay, You click on it for the text. We are still on that text, okay? So now how does the text come in? That is the animation. When they talk about animate, it means the action, the mobility, how the thing move, the action that it has. So now how does this text come in? You can change it. You can see it here. Where is it? Look at here, which is in. We have out. We have loop. So that is the action, how you can animate your text. So let's once the one in blue now is the in. How does it come in? How will this text Zach at opportunities niche, how will it come in? So it will come in like this. Look at it. Are you seeing it? It can come in like this. It can come in like this. So let me change the duration so that you will see if you want to, how the action it will take to come in, how long it will take to come in that style, in that animation style. This is where you adjust it. Let me adjust it to the last, like 3 seconds. So let me press the first one. Are you seeing how it comes? Be looking at it. You see how it comes in? So it's too slow. If it is too slow, you put it maybe at you adjust here. So you adjust it. So are you seeing it? So this is how it will come in. So let me check this one. This is how it will come in. Next. Are you seeing it? Wow, I like this one. Let me see it again. This one. This one. Wow, this is also nice. I love this one too. This is nice. This is nice too. So you check them out. But this is the one I prefer. This is the one I use in most of my YouTube videos. Are you seeing it? It's the one I use in most of my YouTube videos. Are you seeing that? Yeah, so this is how it coming. So, and how long will it take? This where you adjust it, okay? This where you adjust it, okay? So now the next thing is the out. How does it go out? How do you want it to go out? You can put it the same thing or you change the out animation. The out animation. This is how it will now go out. You can adjust the duration. This is how it will go out, right? All right. So sorry, the in is this blue, while the out is this. You use this one to control the out animation, this red to control the out. So the duration it will take for the out animation to take place, okay? So then you can select the animation from here as usual. So the next thing is the loop, how it will be behaving on the screen. Sometimes you have seen an advert where number or something will be blinking. You know the text will be blinking, will come in different actions. So this is how you do it. There is no magic about this thing, okay? So the loop now, this is the style. Is this how you want it to be behaving? Or you want it to be behaving like this on the screen? So I've already shown you this using one of the editor we use in our main course, which is I think VN. So VN editor, I've done the tutorial. If you want it to be behaving like this is how you leave it. If you want it to be blinking, this is how the number you wrote, maybe your phone number in your advertising video, it will be taking people attention. You want to drag people attention to that place, so you'll be making it to dance like this. So that is how it will remain in the screen, okay? So how fast do you want this to be blinking like this? Is it slow like this or you want it to be slower? Are you seeing it? Or you want it to be faster? Are you seeing it? So that is it. Or you want to be moderate. So that is how you loop this. So we have done the in animation for the text, the out animation, and the loop, how it will stay on the screen. So those are the things you can do. Once you are done, please remember to click on this save icon. This is the save icon. Whatever you do, if you want it to save, click on this good. This save icon is like a save icon. You save it, that particular action, okay? All right. Once again, this is Zach at Opportunities Niche. So talking about the text, I don't want to leave anything untouched for my student to be asking me question repeatedly. See now, let's say you're editing and you got off and you come back, and where is the text that you added? You can see the text, right? But let's say you want to edit this text, you can't see the frame again. So, but the frame is there. If you want to edit this text, are you seeing this red? Let me show you. Are you seeing there is a tiny red line up here? Can you see that, a tiny red line? So how do you click it? It's not clickable for you to edit this text. So what you will do is you quickly click on the text again. Find the text button. Remember, if you have not clicked the clip, that is where you see this text sticker overlay. When you click the clip, this clip, it is now highlighted. You will not see those ones again. Oh, listen. Oh, let me speak Nigerian language. Let me speak pidgin. If you don't click this clip, now the editing tools, this thing will give you. So you will get the editing tools, which is remove background, the volume extraction, all those things. But if you want to see those text effect and add text and others, so in CapCut, you click this arrow first. Okay, click this arrow. You click this arrow, okay, first. Okay, so you click it, so it will go back. So are you seeing it? So this clip is not highlighted anymore. So that is when you will see text. Because this is where you will see this text, this audio, you will see all these stickers. Okay, so now you want to edit this text on the screen, right? This Zach at opportunities, you have done it before, but you want to edit it. You can't find the layer. Where is the text layer for you to click to even edit? You are not seeing it, right? So in CapCut, what you do is that you click on the text again. See the text. Remember, don't click on the clip. If you click on the clip, it will give you the editing tool for the clip, not the text. So you see text. So click on the text. Are you seeing it? So the text layer is out. Hope you can see that. Please, if I'm too slow, no verse, don't be angry. I'm doing it for people that don't catch up so quick, okay? So that's what I've taught you in my tutorial, which is the paid course. Some people might not still understand a lot of things. So are you seeing it? So you cannot edit. So if you want to edit it again, just click on it. Click on the text layer. Then you click on this style. Are you seeing this style? Click on style. When you click on style, everything will come up. You can see the style has come up where you put the text color, the stroke, the text background, the shadow, the spacing in the letters. I didn't even show you all this one, so just do it. The bold, if you want to bold your text, you bold it from here. If you want to put spacing in the text, you put it from here. Shadow, you do it here. Background color, you change it. My own background color is red now, right? So you do everything. The animation, how the text will come in, the effect of the text. If you want to put stroke, see them. So play with things here. This text, okay? I just wanted to show you that so that you will not say, I can't edit the text layer again. You will come and be distracting me from my other businesses. So it's not distraction, you are my student, so I will always attend to you anytime. All right. So now we are done. Once you are done, remember you click on this good so that it will save those changes. So right. So now another thing with text again before I forget. Remember this text now in this video, I will put it where I say I will put it in that particular area when I say, okay, I'm Zach at opportunities niche. This is where this text should appear, right? Which is I'm introducing myself. So what about you are running a video advert where you want the whole text to be there, that phone number you put on the screen, you want it to be there from the beginning of the advert to the end of the advert. What do? So from this text layer, you see it is highlighted. You cannot edit, right? You hold here, this place, that white place. Then start dragging it. Hold it and start dragging. Are you seeing it? I'm dragging it. I'm dragging it to the right. I'm dragging it so fast. Yeah, it has already passed the video. So once it passed the video, go back or drag it back. Drag it back. So don't mind about my language. I'm using a layman language if you are a white man. So bear with us. So are you seeing it? Yeah, so that is it. So put it to the end till the end of the video. You can see the text layer and the video layer, they are now in the same place. So that this text, Zach at opportunities niche, if it is your phone number or anything, I want this Zach at opportunities to remain here till end. This is what I will do. So, but if you want to make it disappear at that particular place, say wow, that wow should disappear at that same time. you put it at that exactly same time of the video. Okay, so this is how to do it. So I think I have taught you everything about text. Like in our cartoon animation, where we are using an application and that application is leaving you watermark. I'm giving you a secret now. Awesome. Let's say you are using another video editor and the editor, you didn't go for the paid version. It will give a watermark in a particular area, maybe at the bottom here or at the top of the video here. So in our cartoon animation course from our student, so if the watermark for that cartoon animation is always here at the top, right? The watermark is always at the top right corner. So what you do, you trick it, design your own logo, a photo, and drop it here on that layer. You know how to put a photo now into video. I've already taught you. So just go to layers. Let me click back. Can you see layers? Overlay. You have already know this now. Overlay. So when you click on overlay, it will tell you to select video or photo. So select photo, resize it. Okay, let me just do it. Overlay, photo. Let me say this is the logo. This is my client logo. I hope it will not be a crime for me to use. Let's display off. Okay, it's not even a logo, but let's say I just want to use only the logo part. This is a video. You can even make video to be logo if you want. You just cut it. I will cut it. I will draw, so I will adjust the video to give me only that logo area. Okay, so you can even make video. If you have a video where there is your own this, you don't have the, are you seeing it? So like, look at it. Let's say this is the picture now, right? So I can hold it from the screen and adjust it. I told you can click on it and adjust it. Where are those three color? Are you seeing it? I'm adjusting it. So you, in CapCut, when you want to adjust a video to smaller size, you hold it with your two hands, with two fingers, your thumb and the next finger close to the thumb. So I can put it here. If this was an image, hold the image or the video with your two hands, your thumb at this and narrow it. So are you seeing it? I'm reducing it. I can make it big, I can make it small. I'm holding it on the screen. So you put it here. So with that cartoon animation, see your logo. If it is text, the same thing. This text, let me go back to the text. I hope you are not confused. See the text, right? So this is the text we add to our screen. I can't even edit it. I told you, you go back to text, find text again. You see the text layer. Click on it. I've clicked on this text layer now, and it has come out from the screen. I can duplicate this text. So let me show you another thing with text. I can duplicate it by going to copy. Look at it. You know I've highlighted the text layer, right? It is highlighted, so I can you can see this copy now. I can copy the text the way it is. Zack at opportunity, I will just say copy. It has copied, and once it has copied, you can see the second one here. You can see the second one is here, the first one is here. But where is the one that I copied? It's on the screen. Click on it here. I've highlighted it here. Are you seeing it? So then click it from the screen and drag it. Click from the screen. Click from the screen and drag it. Are you seeing it? There were two now. You will not know till you click on the second one that appear here. You click it from here, it has highlighted. Then you now click on the screen. Then you now drag it. Are you seeing it? It was like this before. So you just drag it up. So now let's say I want it in my advert to close that logo, that watermark. I will just put it here. Maybe I just want it to cover only the area. You know, you can always make it small. Then, sorry, not rotate, make it smaller. Then, you know that bubble style. So click on this text layer, the text layer, then go to style. Are you seeing the style at the bottom? Go to style, go to bubble, this bubble. Hope you are seeing it. So that it will give you that shape. That shape. Are you seeing the different shape it can give you? So your text can give you different shape. Are you seeing the shape it give me? Then you can reduce it again. So I'm showing you secret now. I'm showing you secret. All those apps that will put watermark in your video, especially when you are doing it for your business. People, it's not mature to be seeing watermark. So you can put your logo here. Or you create your logo. It's even easier to create a logo. Put it at that screen. So that is it. That thing will remain there, and you want it to remain on the screen. I told you, you drag the image or the text or the logo you put, you drag it from the beginning of the video to the end of the video, it will remain there. Okay, so that's how you do it. So I hope you enjoy this text more trick on text on with CapCut, right? All right, thank you very. All right, so I just did something I will have forgotten. When you have a very long video, so let me show you something. This is your editing interface, right? So if you want to be sure, you have a very long video clip. When you are scrolling like this, the video will not finish on time. Oh. You will not get to the end of that video. If you want to edit the end of that video, it will take you a lot of time for you to get there by clicking here, by sliding here like this. Do you understand me? Let's say you have 20 minutes or 30 minutes video. When you keep scrolling left like this, you will not get to the end of that video on time. So what you do is that you click on this. See, look at this arrow, this double arrow, up and down arrow there. Are you seeing it? You click on it. So when you click on it, it will now give you as if you are watching the main video. You can play it from some here. Of our guys in Nigeria, Nigeria are good at mutilating things. So now you can use here to quickly forward the video to towards the end. And you see, you are now towards the end already. You are towards the end. You can use this to adjust where you, if you want to go to the middle of the video you are editing. You see, it is at the middle. It is at the middle now, right? Look at the bottom. It has to the middle. Now, if it at the end you put it, then you click on look at the left bottom. The left bottom. Are you seeing the two arrow again here? The left button, I can't highlight it. You click on it too. So now it will now bring you back. You are now at the end of the video because you use at the end. So this is the place again. I'm doing this so that everybody will understand. I'm slow. If it's not, you can fast forward it if you are on YouTube. Okay, so that is it. That is it. So you click there, you click those things. When you are done, you click them again. It will bring you back here. But you have already fast forward the video to the place you want, to the maybe you want to edit the middle. If you are at the middle, to get to the particular point, now you can use here to now adjust. Okay, so that is it. So the next thing I would like to show you after text, we have added text, is sticker. Can you see sticker? So you can add your sticker. Okay, these are stickers. Let me show you. All right, so these are love sticker. Whoa, these are oops. So you can add them to on top of your video. This wow, you were saying something, you explaining things to people, you say wow. So that wow should come up in form of sticker like this. Let me click on that sticker. Wow. So you were doing a video and you now say wow, that is amazing. You understand? Wow. So when that particular place you say wow, place this sticker. Once you click on this sticker, you click on play. You can denoise you. So you enter. So see the sticker now. See where you can edit the sticker. It is highlighted, right? This is the sticker now. You can make it to last for 1 second or 2 seconds. It should be at that moment you say wow. So that is, maybe you're talking about love, you add love sticker. So if you want to adjust it on the face, as I say, make sure it is highlighted like this in white. Then you can see it is now having editing tools. So you can use this to adjust the size. So you adjust the size, make it bigger or make it smaller. So then you can hold it at the middle and put it in position you want it to be. You don't want to close your face. You want it to be at the side. So I will place it here, the wow. Okay, so that is how it works. That is how you add sticker your CapCut, and it's very easy to use. All right, so what next? What are we checking again? There is one big thing I want us to see in a CapCut. Okay, all right, so let me go back to the beginning of this clip. You see what I was telling you, I'm not getting to the beginning. So instead of me scrolling like this, I will just click on these arrows. I will click on it. I will just take the video to the end, to the beginning where I want it to be. Then I will click on the two arrows again. Look at them here again. I will click on it. Then I'm at the beginning. That is why CapCut is so amazing. It's just easy to use. So now you can see a lot of things you have added. Sometimes the things you have added, you will not see them again. but you can see that these are the things you added in red lines. So you click on it. When you click on it, it will activate. If you see what to edit those things, okay, it will be activated. All right. So another thing I want us to check here after stickers is effect. Yeah, there are a lot of effect. If you keep watching to this level, the effect is the reason why I suggested I'm bringing up this tutorial with CapCut. There is video effect and body effect, and you can see once again, I'm Zach at Opportunities Niche, and I'm going to show you this effect, a lot of effect that come with CapCut editor that other video editors don't have. Okay, so now look at the effect. If you highlight the clip, before you highlight the clip, you just scroll, you will see effect, and you can see the effect here. Okay, you come, you click, and you can see there is video effect and there is a body effect. You can see there is a body effect and there is video effect. So I click on the video effect. So here you have a lot of effect. We are under threading. There is threading. The ones that are threading, look at them. You can use them on your video. This is like lightning effect. To that audio tool, there are some other things. So I only talk about this. So I want to bring in a video where you will be seeing these things. So like, let me pause this thing and bring in a nice video that you'll be seeing these things. You are welcome. This is Zach once again at Opportunities Niche. Okay, so now we are using CapCut as video editor in our mobile app. So now we have done with the text, everything about text. We have done with stickers, overlays. Now I told you, if you want to be seeing this thing, make sure you did not click on the video first, because once you click on this video, it will show you split, volume, things that you use in editing the video. But before then, click backward. So if you click on the video before, you can click this backward arrow. You click it, okay? So it will take you to where you put your effect. So this effect now, I was telling you, this effect, CapCut has a lot of great effect. Okay, great effect, more than other mobile video editor. Let me show you. I'm not just saying it, I'm not advertising for CapCut. They don't know me, I don't know them. So video effect. So now you can see a lot of effect. This just under trading. There are more. Just check on it. This lightning effect. So if in your movie all the video editing is about lightning, you know, you watch movies, you see how they use different lightning, fire effect. This fire effect, are you seeing it? This is lightning effect. Be looking at the video. So if you are doing there are different lightning effect here. Just be clicking and that effect will be added to your video. Okay, so you can see the effect. Are you seeing this effect? And you can see the only area it covers. So let's say it is raining in your movie you are creating, you should put a lightning effect and it should cover that particular area of the movie. That lightning effect, you can see it is highlighted, the effect you put. So you should put it in that particular area where there was rain. Or so you can adjust it. You click this area or this area, you drag it to adjust it, to make it smaller, to appear in a particular area or to appear in a very large area along the way. So there is effect. So now still on the effect, if you go back, you say video effect. These are video effect now. We just took that one from other trading. There are more effect under basic, and there are other effect in blink. There are effect 2022 effect. So click 2022. I think I used one of this effect in my New Year video. So 2022 effect. So you check the Christmas effect. I used this Christmas effect in one of my video I did early in I used this particular one. Are you seeing this? So these are effect. These are effect. There are plenty of effects. So these are party effect. Please be looking at what I'm doing. I'm scrolling from here to here to here, different effects. These are party. So if your music, you are editing video music, you reach the place of party. These are how those music videos are being edited. Look at party. There are different effects other party. So where people are dancing, you should be adding effect like this. So CapCut has greater effect than other this thing have been using. You can see different effects you can add to your video. There are many of them. Mood, these are mood effect. Are you seeing it? This love, joy, all those things, you know, flower. You understand? You are in a garden thinking about life in that video, so you put this effect. So there are a lot of them. You keep scrolling and you'll be seeing them. Frame effect. There are a lot of effect. Are you seeing fire effect? There are a lot of fire effect. So this is another fire effect under comic. So this effect, most of the fire effect, they are other comic. Okay, so comic movies, so that uses fire and effect a lot. Are you seeing it? So you can add all this. I've not seen I've not seen any app with so much effect as far as mobile editing app is concerned. So there are body effect. Apart from the video effect, you also scroll down. These are body effect. I know some people know only about InShot, but come here, come and learn from CapCut. If you are using InShot, come and learn from CapCut. Are you seeing different body effect? Just be seeing this. There are many of them. Remember, you keep scrolling from surrounding to headwears to body and other body effect alone. The one you click, you just click on save. Okay, you can add as plenty effect as you want. You can add 10, 20 effect at different places in your video using this. So once you add it, you can come and click on the effect and adjust it to the particular area of the video. You can adjust it from, if you want to drag it, you click the middle and hold it and you start dragging it to that particular area of the video you want to put that effect. Okay, you drag it to there. So that is how to add effect. See, CapCut has great effect as far as mobile video editing app is concerned. I've not seen any app with much fire effect, so many effect, lightning, music, party, so many effect like CapCut. So when you want to add effect, before you click on the video to come with the editor tools, just go back, don't click on it, leave it like this. You can access the text, the stickers, the overlay, the effect. Okay, so the format of the video also, you can check it from here. This is the format. If you want to produce your video to fit screen, to want your video to be 960, which is YouTube standard. You want to be, to be 16:9, which is YouTube standard. This is Instagram. This is also Instagram feed. This is also Instagram. So Facebook. So this one 5:9. I think it's for Instagram Reels and others. So this the shape, the format of the video you want to produce. You can select that from this format. Okay, at the bottom, are you seeing format? This format. So that is it. So guys, I've taught you a lot of things in my course, in my paid course, which is video editing with just your mobile phone. I just wanted to drop this because I think this is more easier to use, and it's also come with more effect and so many other things. But all the video, the one I gave you before, is actually good, but this one is actually also very good, and this is free. I don't even know what CapCut are gaining. No advert, and everything is for free. You are not paying anything. No watermark. CapCut don't keep watermark. The only watermark they put is at the end of the video. I told you if you want to scroll to the end of the video so quick, click on those two arrows. Let me show you. Let me now click here. Let me go to the end of the video. Then I will click on the two arrows again at this bottom left here, so that it will take me. See the only watermark they add, and it's at the end of the video. Let me play the video. So you see it, CapCut is showing. Welcome to this video. It just took me back. Let me forward it, go back. So are you seeing it? And here you can take it off. Just click on this CapCut after producing your video, then you delete. Click on this delete at the bottom left and you remove that clip. So nothing, no watermark with CapCut there. You don't have any watermark. Okay, so once you are done with your video editing stuff, you can come to your cover. Do you know what this cover means? It means the first place people will see in your video. You know, when you are watching YouTube, they want to drag your attention to watch that video. They will put a very nice place, like where they were fighting, like in Nigeria, where they will do something that is strange that will make you to click that video. So in your clip, click on this cover. Okay, click on cover. Then scroll to that particular nice place that you want, that if people see it, they will say, what is this? They will like to click the video to see what it was that. Then you use it as cover. So once you reach that place, you now say you can now just click on it, and you can say use template, right? No, you just click on it. So, and it will be selected. Just click on there and it will be selected. So that particular place will be the first place people will see, okay, in that video. So once you are done in saving your video now, once you are done with everything, you want to save your video, you just come here and hit on save. Sorry. And now, before you export your video, this is the exportation arrow. That is, you download your video. Make sure you check the quality of the video you want to download. So now it is automatic. The frame rate, normal frame rate, a good frame rate should be 30. If it's an advertising video for clients, you make it very so clean, you can drag this to 60, but the video is going to be so heavy, you understand? So an average is 30, you put it at 30. Then at least 720 is HD. If you want it to be full HD, you take it to 8. Here you take it to 820, 1080. So okay, if you want it to be just normal HD, you leave it at 720, right? So this is the normal one. If you want it to be so clear, you take it this to 1080. This one you can take it to 50, but it will be so heavy, okay? Then once you set this parameter, you can now hit on the download or render. So one thing I told you about what is it, CapCut. When CapCut is exporting, unlike other mobile app like CanMasters and others, when they are export, if you don't have a large RAM like 8 gig RAM phone, if you cut it, if you minimize it, it will cut along the way. But CapCut, it will keep exporting. Are you seeing this now? It will keep exporting, okay? So you can minimize, like I minimize, and I will pause this video. I'll be doing some other things, but the truth is that when you minimize, it will still be showing at here at the up top of your, what is it called, at the top of no, I'm not trying to drag. So it will still be showing at the top of your screen, okay? At the top of at the top of your screen, you can see it exporting, and the percentage will also be showing. So leave it like that. So you can use other part of the phone apart from that place is showing, and you can even still use it. It will be coming up anytime, so that the video will be able to download under background, okay? Once it finish the background, it will tell you to share as usual or to save to desktop. So you can just share or you save to your phone, okay? That is it, guys. Once again, I'm Zach at Opportunities Niche. Give value. If you get value from this video, if you see this on YouTube, please like it and drop a like for me. But I don't know if I'm releasing this video on YouTube, or I'm going to just give it to only my student in my class as gift, because we have already done the main tutorial. I'm just giving this application so that you can use it anytime you feel like using it. We have treated other applications in the main courses. Thank you very much, and God bless you. And remember, if you have any question as my student, feel free to ask me. If you are watching this on YouTube, put your question under the comment section. Don't come and chat me inbox, okay, to be asking me questions. It's only my students that can chat me inbox on WhatsApp to ask me direct questions, and I'm obliged to answer them. Thank you very much, and God bless you. This video will complete, rounding up, and it will save. So CapCut don't have any problem with exportation. Thank you very much, and God bless you.